Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python while solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Stata Scratch regarding find all the companies with more than 10 employees. This question has been asked in Google interviews and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads find all the companies with more than 10 employees, output all the columns. So we are given a data frame called Google AdWords earnings and our expected output is a pandas data frame which has basically all the columns that we have in the original data frame Google AdWords earnings, but the only catch is we are only going to keep those rows where number of employees is greater than 10. So if we inquire about this data frame Google AdWords earning, it has 4 columns: business type, number of employees, year and AdWords earning. We need to keep all the 4 columns, however only rows where number of employees is greater than 10. Very simple question. All you need to do is filter. Here you can go ahead with two different routes. Either you can do Boolean indexing, we have learned about this multiple times in this series, or you can use the dot query method, which is quicker and easier to look at. So what you can do is basically dot query and keep only those rows where number of employees is greater than 10. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. So now you have all the rows where number of employees is greater than 10. If we look at our expected output, this is exactly like what we see. And if I go ahead and submit it, it is going to pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is how we do it. Not a very tricky question, very simple question. The only thing that we wanted to decide was whether we should do this by Boolean indexing. Let me know how the solution will look like if you go ahead with Boolean indexing part. We just adopted a quicker and a more optimized solution where we just use dot query to get the rows. Okay, so this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below and I'll see you guys in the next video.